7 ways to prepare for a road trip. Road trips are probably the best way to see vast and diverse countries. From national parks to funky roadside attractions, road trips take you places you've never been before. But sometimes preparing for such a trip can be an overwhelming task you don't want to engage in. That's why in this video I'm going to show you 7 essential ways to prepare for a fun-filled road trip. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the red button below this video to subscribe and the bell button to get notified of our new videos every single week. So let's get it rolling. 7. Plan the trip. When preparing for that long journey, always have a sense of the main places you want to hit and a rough idea of when you want to get there. Don't set yourself up for exhaustion and failure by failing to plan a trip in which you're going to be in a car for 10 hours a day for 6 days in a row. That's not fun at all. 6. Pack light so there's room to collect. You're going to find an authentic Apache rug where you are going that you will love to buy when coming back from. And it will be such a bummer trip if your trunk is too full of suitcases to stow these items. Number 5. Check your vehicle. About a week before you leave for a long road trip, have your mechanic check your car's fluid levels, brakes, tyres, and anything else that could cause problems. Be sure your spare tyre is fully inflated and that you have jumper cables and extra wiper fluid on hand in case of any emergency. 4. Keep a clean record and documents complete. If you're traveling without current documentation of license, registration, or insurance, you could be in for a world of hurt if you're pulled over for any reason. Under that circumstance, your car can be impounded for your scofflaw sins. 3. Get some food along. Make a note of some of the places you'll eat along the way. Try to stick to a loose meal schedule so you're not ravenous and looking for food along a stretch of road with nothing. 2. Make some reservations. While it's fun to drive aimlessly sometimes and just find a hotel for the night, it's often hard to find the best lodging at the cheapest price if you don't plan. 1. Bring plenty of cash and a credit card. Sometimes you may find yourself in a cash-only place, so you need to be prepared. If you're planning to be in a fairly remote area, chances are that there will be a few ATMs, making cash even more necessary. And that's it on the list. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.